One of the things I love about LA is the diversity, not only of the people, but also of spaces and cultures. There are so many different flavors in one city. My name is Cosmas and Damian. A lot of people think that it is an artist name or that I have a collaborator or that it's an artist duo, but that is actually my given name. I think because I'm a Gemini, my parents chose to name me Cosmas and Damian after the two saints who were doctors and healed people for free. I'm a multidisciplinary artist. I make paintings, sculptures, ceramics, drawings. The more kind of weird, the better. A lot of the work that I'm currently working on has to do with bringing out the personality of what we see as inanimate objects and kind of giving them some kind of selfhood or beingness. We're here in South Los Angeles at Tlaloc Studios, where I've worked on and off for about 5 years. The name Tlaloc comes from the Mexica deity of rain and fertility, who is one of the most important gods of the Aztec people. I grew up in Oaxaca, in Mexico, and Oaxaca is a very strong kind of artistic, creative center in Mexico. I'm not kind of looking to necessarily show that specifically in my work. I think it really comes out naturally and subconsciously almost. The work that I'm making for Frieze LA is a large-scale interactive installation. I've always been interested in working with the elements. The piece is called Sources of Light, and so they all have holes and different kind of setups to see how the smoke exits. They'll all be smoldering around the fountain. I think right after I moved here, we went through 4 years of crazy drought. There was no rain and there was water shortage. So part of the idea with the fountain is to create a little bit of sense of stress and urgency. There are 4 faucets that have running water into these 4 metal sinks. And the faucets have little handles, but those won't work because just for me, the visual of seeing a tap turned on and just gushing water into a sink is a little bit unnerving. You know, you see the water in the LA River, which is a rare sight. Kind of speaks a lot to that interest, the long history of water and fire in Los Angeles and how the elements kind of shape the city. We build these cities and we think that they're immune to the elements, and then it's a constant kind of back and forth, constant conversation between the kind of natural and man-made. There is so much push and pull. I hope that my work embraces both of those elements of the city, and hope that comes across.